pharmaceutical and cosmetic companies, medical device manufacturers, and other businesses seeking entry into the multi-billion-dollar global arena of hair loss or hair restoration can utilize the Bauman Medical Group Consulting Division to perform bench-to-bedside-to-market projects. Dr. Alan J. Bauman is a surgically trained MD and one of only approximately 100 board-certified hair restoration physicians in the world. He is the Diplomate of the esteemed American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, a member of the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery, and is one of only 50 doctors worldwide who is recommended by the American Hair Loss Association. He has built an international practice, treated nearly 15,000 hair loss patients since 1997, and has been extensively featured in the world's leading media in print, radio, and television as a medical expert and successful early adopter of the most advanced technologies in the treatment of hair loss. Located in Boca Raton, Florida, the Bauman Medical Group Consulting Division is one of the most innovative of its kind worldwide. Operating out of one of the largest standalone medical hair restoration practices in the world, the on-site program includes both patient care and research pursuits. Founded in 1997, the Bauman Medical Group has treated more than 15,000 patients. Bauman Medical Group has the ability to perform clinical trial work, device testing, and provide critical product feedback. To facilitate and expedite research projects or clinical trial studies, the practice has created a robust local, national, and international referral network that includes access to over 30,000 in-house patients, as well as an equally valuable network of physician colleagues in the hair restoration field and other medical disciplines. Our relationship with an independent institutional review board enables expeditious review and oversight of experimental protocols if necessary. Clinical trials can be executed in a timely and efficient manner with the assistance of a dedicated clinical trial coordinator, primary investigator, and research staff that has extensive experience in protocol development, patient recruitment, enrollment, digital photography, and diagnostic procedures. State-of-the-art imaging devices and analysis tools are employed to accurately assess patients, as well as provide optimum research data and images for publication. Standardized high-resolution global and microscopic digital photography is performed within our on-site dedicated medical photography suite. In addition, our research team often works closely with our consulting division, which offers professional services in electronic and traditional publishing, public relations, social media, community outreach, lectures and webinars for physician-to-physician education, as well as large-scale direct-to-patient communication projects. Dr. Bauman is world-renowned for his pioneering work in the areas of low-level laser therapy, hair transplantation, eyelash transplantation, follicular unit extraction (FUE), clinical applications of compounded minoxidil, and wound care regimens. Some of our research and consulting partners have included Fortune 500 companies within the pharmaceutical and cosmetic product categories and medical device manufacturers, among others. The Bauman Medical Group is a marketing, media, and public relations savvy organization. In addition to Dr. Bauman having been featured extensively as one of the world's leading authorities on hair loss, the organization is not only creative, but successful in creating broadcast, marketing, and social media campaigns to draw attention to its product and clinical trials using the full spectrum of multimedia channels.
One of the world's leading product development companies, Procter & Gamble, contracted the Bauman Medical Group consulting division to perform a clinical trial on a new product they were exploring bringing to market. The product, a hair thickening treatment technology, had primarily been tested in their own laboratories on wigs and swatches of human hair. Procter & Gamble requested that Bauman Medical design, test, and perform an independent clinical trial. Dr. Bauman and his team designed the clinical trial, executed the clinical trial, acquired the patients, tested the product, proved its efficacy using the latest scientific measuring tools like the hair check and hair scan, including standardized global photos and microscopic hair cam dermoscopic photography, measuring its impact on the patients physiologically as well as psychologically through feedback forms and interviews. Nearly 100 women participated in the year-long blinded study. Dr. Bauman and his team presented the results to Procter & Gamble and the Pantene Hair Research Institute with data proving the efficacy and impact of the product. With BMG research and recommendations, Procter & Gamble proceeded with a new product delivered to the market under one of the world's leading hair care consumer brands, Pantene. In early 2013, Procter & Gamble launched Age-Defy Hair Thickening Treatment, a new product under the global Pantene brand's Expert Collection line. Dr. Bauman was invited to join the prestigious Pantene Hair Research Institute, a highly esteemed board of scientists and doctors who are focused on the advancement of hair science, technologies, and products. As the primary investigator, creator, and executor of the independent hair thickening treatment clinical trial, Dr. Bauman was also contracted by Procter & Gamble to serve as the medical expert for the global product launches. Pantene's new Age-Defy hair thickening treatment was now slated for global launch. As the chief medical spokesperson, Dr. Bauman was part of the team to present Procter & Gamble's new product to the world media in key markets. From Boca Raton to New York City, Sao Paulo, Beijing, and Edinburgh, Dr. Bauman presented his clinical trial and research findings to hundreds of media professionals and journalists. He, along with other members of the Pantene Hair Research Institute, and in many cases major celebrity brand ambassadors in these key markets, attended large press conferences and other media events to present the medical results and research findings supporting the value of the new Pantene Age-Defy hair thickening treatment. There were one-on-one interviews with journalists, beauty bloggers, video interviews for television, one-on-one, and on-camera interviews with the world's top media interested in Dr. Bauman, the research process, and the findings that went into the product development and proof of this new global hair care product.
If your company has a need for a clinical trial or research for a new product launch, call Bauman Medical Consulting Division.